Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how some people are earning USDT using the Delta mining app. Fast and easy. Disclaimer, always do your own due diligence. Crypto and mining apps carry risk. Now let's get started. So first you're going to click on USDT from your dashboard. Get the Delta mining app and then verify your identity using KYC and fund your wallet if required. Now once you're on your dashboard, you're going to click on USDT at the left side of the screen that you can see right here just below the ad. After that, you're going to click on Play to Mine. On the page that will open, you're going to click on this icon to mine. A video ad will appear and you will have to watch it. The number 3 in red font is the number of times you're going to watch an ad. This number resets every 8 hours. After that, once all the ads are done, you will gain USDT, which you will find right here. You will see at the record section at the bottom the ad reward that you have gained from watching 3 ads. So like you will see this right here from the summary. You can see that it says ad rewards. Now from the status, you will see that all of these are pending. So you're going to wait for the pending status to be approved and your USDT rewards will be delivered to your account. USDT will then be converted to USDT. And that's it. You're going to have to wait for another 8 hours, and if you want to mine more, you have to wait for the new ads to be reloaded into your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.